we have inequality negative 3 less than 6 times 1 minus r. When we have to solve inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of, in our example, r, for which this inequality is true. Let me copy first this. I have negative 3 is less than 6 times 1 minus r. First, I have to use distributive law to eliminate this parenthesis. So I will copy the left side, negative 3 is less than, and now I have to multiply 6 by whatever is in parentheses. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times negative r is negative 6r. So now I will move negative 6r to the left side, negative become positive 6r, and negative 3 to the right side, so 6r will be less than 6 plus 3. Now I can copy left side, 6r is less than 6 plus 3 is 9. Because I have multiplication here, I will divide both sides by 6. So 6 and 6 will cancel, and I can reduce 9 and 6 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3, and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So I have r is less than 3 over 2. I have improper fraction on the right side. I can change to mixed number. So r is less than 1 and 1/2. Now I can draw number line. R, we have 0, 1, will be 2, 1/2 will be here. So because I have sign less than, so 1/2 is not included, and because we have less, so it's going to the negative infinity. Our solution will be from negative infinity to 1 and 1/2. Now we can check if it's correct. I will choose one number from this interval, can be 0, because it's easy to calculate. So r is 0. Let me copy this inequality. Negative 3 is less than 6 times 1 minus r. So negative 3 is less than 6 times 1 minus 0. So negative 3 is less than 6 times 1. So negative 3 is less than 6. Our inequality is true, so our solution is correct.